Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted, and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you block a certain person on Vinted. So let's jump right into it. Now, first of all, what I need to do is go ahead and head over to the inbox where your chat is with a certain person. Now, that user, you will have to click on their name right here or on their profile picture, and in order to block them, you will click on the three dots next to the follow button and then click on block. You'll see they won't be able to send you messages, they won't be able to buy your items, and you'll no longer see their items. So we'll click on block member, and there you go. You'll block this member. In order to unblock them, simply click on the unblock button and everything will get back in normal. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.